पंचायती आमच्याने billboards घालपाचे.
Let the panchayat take a resolution. We will not give any shop to the outsider. I am supporting you. I am giving you my shop. I am giving 1 year notice to all my this thing and taking them. Ona tako da sanga maka shop cholopa. And let the panchayat take a resolution. No outsider will be given a shop. Let the government. You cannot. I know this. If I am wrong, please correct me, sir. You correct me if I am wrong.
Stay cool this summer with Daikin ACs and unbeatable offers at Solar Enterprises. Whether you're in Margao or Penjim, we've got the best deal on ACs and electronics just for you. Come visit us and grab our exclusive summer offers today. Don't wait. Beat the heat with Solar Enterprises.
आमगे ये हाईवे हानम वेलसाउंड टू मोबर is declared a highway by the national. It is already. I have read it, but I give it is as is being proposed, but they have already declared about 22 inside roads to be declared as highway. But I know to be declared National Highway Authority of India. And some panchayats already, Kavalasi, Kakmana, they have already taken resolution against it. Even Belsa Panchayat has taken. But Ata, Ami, Tanai, your village road. This highway, Amunu, this highway hotel. You will bus at the Zoom, Ata, it lasted that I highway Basilam. I'm going to look and rent a car from the Bamura. So, this highway, I'm Kotayana, Yamunu, the highway, I'm going to village road. This road belongs to Pita already. And it is all villages. We must take a resolution that we are against this. So only example I will say. Up speed breaker high. We can instead of that we can instruct all the hotels. Hotel reception that please leave your buses for tour or to the airport half an hour earlier. So that my rasta jail mudi dhawan ta my airport flights ko driver will fast and you can rent a car fast.
Yeah, not 25, but they are proposing it to become 40 more. So, agent to Sogi, agree now we take a resolution to oppose this.
हम resolution कहते हैं. To display and install billboards, banners at prominent places to discourage mega project and big hotels.
In banner gaila, welcome to Sorao, but it is not for sale. I think don't banner galpa please keep in your mind before buying any property that mega projects we will not allow. Very much not harsh, but let them think twice before they buy a property. Property I'm going to get the resolution buy the English no one. Property buy the English no one. Market matter on
But to be
but we can you put a banner
now since 30th 12 December they are fighting for this tower that is put illegally. They are not saying that it's put legally, it's illegal. And nobody has noticed it, nobody is fighting for its right. It's put in a residential area and nobody is bothered about it. They have gone to all the departments, they have sent them letters, they have sent letters to the panchayat. Okay, panchayat is very slow in their decisions. 7 days notice was given to the owner. He came with the gazette and he gave it to the secretary. How is the gazette going to help us? We have got the right of information to know how he has put the tower there. The NOCs. From where did he get the NOCs? It may be electricity, the engineering NOCs, everything, the structural NOCs. We want to know the NOCs. We are not getting that. It's not going to affect you now, but in the long run it's going to affect you. So my advice is, please, if you can help us the best way you can. And get the tower down as soon as possible. We are not saying bring it down, to change the location. To change the location. We are not saying that we don't own the tower, but change the location. Put it in a safe place. That's my point. Right?
Wednesday, आमच्या सबको इल्लो पंचायती इल्लो आणि आमतुक सगळें एक्सप्लेन केल्लें आम तांकां ऑलरेडी लेटर केल्या आनी तांकां कितें पासून रिप्लाय येयला तें तुका सांगलें प्लस हांव तुका लेटर ड्राफ्ट केलो आहा ती तांकां ईमेल येयला ती तुका दिल्ली
Yes, yes.
सो
No, but the follow-up has to be done. No?
बट तांकां अजून ईमेल येयला ना आमकां
That's the follow-up.
वी हॅव ऑलरेडी ते रोखडेच तुमगे सरपंच तुमगे पंच हा तेणे रोखडीच लेटर केल्ली तांकां
Yeah, we have read the letter also. We have
Okay.
read the letter also,
Yes.
and we are satisfied. Okay, but what the follow-up? When are we going to get the reply? When we can take a decision? When is the tower going to come
Those
down?
people will not reply. They just give your email over there. Then what? So you all have to keep volunteering unless you all press them to.
Because when we come to the secretary, I'm done it. But when are we going to get it? When are we going to get the reply? That's the point.
ओके आम आनी एक रिमाइंडर धाडले तांकां आनी ओके
To let the water into the sea, this creek needs to be cleaned. And it's not true that the creek is not polluted. I heard that the WRT was supposed to do a test of that water. Did they do it? Okay, but I've done a test. I've done a test of that water. I've tested it on my individual level and I've got the results over here. And first of all, the suspended solids, which are not supposed to be more than 20 milligrams per liter, but our creek water has 316 milligrams per liter. Next, biochemical oxygen demand, which is supposed to be not more than 10, ours is 12 milligrams per liter. Next is the chemical oxygen demand, which is supposed to be not more than 50 milligrams per liter, but our creek has 235.2 milligrams per liter.
शेतान बोले ती मी नेस करून तुमकां कोणा खबर आहा खबर आसतली कित्याक हे बिस्तें जायना तूप मेळटा पयले कित्याक भेडी फिलींग पळयलें इज अ डिजास्टर ऑल ऑफर फाटी ही थिंगा सोलोना आनी थिंगा बूथ केल्ले सँडोर्स डिस्ट्रॉय केलो दॅट इज एकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट बट भेडी फुली फिलींग पळयलें आनी तेच्यावर डबल एकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट जाल्यार तुमकां कितें म्हणटा हेचे वयले भासाभास दिताय
आणि आम्ही हे ग्रामसभा मुखार घालून हांव मागोला बॉडीचें सो मी हाडलो ना तो सगळ्या खबर जाल्यार एक हायकोर्टान एक ऑर्डर पास केला ओके तुम्ही मेन्शन केला तुझे कंप्लेन इट इज अ सो मोठो हें केला हायकोर्टान कोणाले कंप्लेनाचें केला आनी आय जस्ट कीप इट शॉर्ट आय जस्ट रीड इट आयकाय सगळें It's a very, very important issue. तेणे हायकोर्टान म्हणा सगळे इलिगल स्ट्रक्चर जे आहे न्हू ते डिमॉलिश करता सगळे आणि कॅटेगरायज केला ओके फर्स्ट कॅटेगरी इलिगल कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑन रोड साइड हायवे मेजर रोड इन म्युनिसिपल एरियाज सेकंड कॅटेगरी इलिगल कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑन रोड साइड हायवे मेजर रोड इन पंचायत एरियाज थर्ड कॅटेगरी illegal construction in panchayat areas being used for commercial purpose. Fourth category, illegal construction in municipal areas being used for commercial purpose. Fifth category, illegal construction in paddy fields. Okay. Sixth category, illegal construction on government property. Seventh category, illegal construction on mukda property. Eighth category, illegal construction on tenanted land. हे आता चोपा जातले सगळे इलिगल जे स्ट्रक्चर आमच्या गांवां आहाय वा म्युनिसिपालिटी आहाय ते आता डिमॉलिश करपाक हायकोर्टाची ऑर्डर दिल्या सो हो आमी मुद्दो इश्यू डिस्कस करपाक कितकोन करपाचें कितकोन इन्स्पेक्शन करपाचें कितकोन एनालायज करपाचें आनी हो वाव जो आहा तो सरपंच सेक्रेटरी आनी तलाटीक चड करून मातसो हय I think they have to be allotted कित्याक तेणी हे रिपोर्ट दिवपाक पडटलो.
I am Thomas Da Costa. I am the owner of Santo Museum. Today we had a very fruitful Gram Sabha meeting. The elected members are also very cooperative and we came with many points which were good for the village. One of the points that was raised about the mega projects and we suggested to put a few banners around Varka saying you are welcome to Varka, but Varka is not for sale. Indirectly for people to know that there is no shortcut. Generally, people want to come and invest in Goa, and it happens in all the villages, in all over Goa. And Goa is already kaput, finished. The trees are cut. JCBs are the biggest culprits, the machines, heavy duty. So one day time you can just flatten the whole area. So we have got good response from the elected members, Sarpanch and Panchayat, and many people had come for the tower also. Basically, frankly speaking, the towers are very harmful, proven fact, and the Panchayat has acknowledged and also given assurance that they are going to shift this to a non-polluted area. Thank you.
Sure. There was also a heated discussion about the creek. So
Yes.
could you shed some light on that?
The creek has been dirty like the Kolva Creek for a long time, because along this creek there are 5-star hotels. And one of our young fellow, Shohel, he did a personal test on it, and what he has found out is really horrible. And we must also check the hotels if they are really using their sewage treatment plants. I was an electrical engineer. I was in charge of sewage treatment plants on the ships. They are not supposed to discharge directly sewage. So there should be some procedure like a surprise visit by the Panchayat members to see if the sewage treatment plants are just for show or they are working. And also to be checked that are not supposed to have, hotels are not supposed to have septic tanks, because septic, they are handling so many thousands of waste which cannot be dumped in the soil, groundwater. Groundwater get polluted and somewhere it has to come out, the sewage. So technically sewage treatment plant must work, and the water which is clean water is generally used in the gardens. So in that way we can also help our problem of water shortages in the villages. These hotels can use that water instead of using our government pipeline water. So I think this is very mandatory to see that the sewage treatment plants are working, and also the wet garbage which they has to handle to decomposing.
Subscribe and follow our YouTube and Facebook channel for more videos.